In this lesson, we will see together indefinite demonstrative pronouns, but more precisely, the pronoun ça. So, what are indefinite demonstrative pronouns? So it will be a short introduction. They are pronouns that point to something without specifying it precisely. And the fact that they are not specified explicitly allows for a degree of ambiguity or generality. That's the reason why in some cases we use them, because they are quite general and you don't go into specification. In this lesson, we will see ça. And the indefinite demonstrative pronoun ça can be translated in English into various ways, in that, it, this, or those. So it's used quite a lot. We'll see 4 examples. Elle adore ça. Elle adore ça. Nous devons parler de ça. Nous devons parler de ça. Il ne comprend pas ça. Il ne comprend pas ça. Regarde ça. Regarde ça.